For what shall it profit a man if he gain the whole world and suffer the loss of his soul? And know that I am with you always, yes, to the end of time. So I say to you, ask and it will be given to you. Search and you will find. Knock and the door will be opened for you. A new command I you, love one another as I have loved you. So you must love one another. Do not let your hearts be troubled. Trust in God, trust also in me. As the Father has loved me, so have I loved you. My kingdom is not of this world. If it were, my servant would fight to prevent my arrest by the Jews. But now my kingdom is from another place. Do not be anxious about tomorrow, for tomorrow will be anxious for itself. Let the day's own trouble be sufficient for the day. If you want to be perfect, go, sell your possessions and give to the poor, and you will have treasure in heaven. Let the one among you who is without sin be the first to cast a stone. All my authority in heaven and on earth has been given to me. Behold, I stand at the door and knock. If anyone hears my voice and opens the door, I will come into him and eat with him and he with me. Blessed are the merciful, for they will be shown mercy. But I say to you, who hear, love your enemies, do good to those who hate you, bless those who curse you, and pray for those who spitefully use you. With man, this is impossible, but with God, all things are possible.